Suppose this year, like 90s, our Diwali is to be celebrated only by lighting candles, earthen lamp, etc. This year, we will have to spend our Diwali in darkness because Indian power plants have reserves for next 2 or 4 days. As a result, many states face the problems of load shedding, power cuts, and blackouts. But why do this situation arise? How can we overcome this problem? Hi friends, welcome to our channel Payal and Sudipta. Today we will discuss about this major problem of our country. Not only India, many countries also face this situation. Please stay with us at the end of this video to mitigate this problem. If you like our thoughts, please share this video to ever more people, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon next to it. Around 52% electricity in India is generated by burning coal. India is the fourth largest coal producing nation, but due to high demand we import coal in large amount from outer country. Central Electricity Authority India released a data in third week of October, and it said that India's 135 thermal power plants had only coal stock for few days. Already 112 out of 135 power plants are in supercritical situation. Normally there are 135 power plants keep stock for 15 to 30 days. But why do this crisis occur? Problem 1. Rising coal prices. Due to lack of availability of fossil fuel, price of coal increased day by day. Coal of Indonesia, which is considered as global benchmark. This coal costed $45 earlier and now it cost $125. So China is buying coal at high price, and that's why India waited and waited for the price to come down without buying coal. So crisis of coal is generated. Problem number 2. Heavy rains. This year India had heavy rains in the month of September. Coal mines were flooded with water, so domestic production became low. Problem 3. High demand. Most of industries, offices were closed from 2020 to August 21 due to pandemic situation. But now almost offices are opening up. Our electricity demand is almost 20% higher than 2019, and around 3 crore homes also get power from the first time. So demand rises rapidly. Now the question is, which places of India faces this power issue? Which measures are already taken by government to prevent blackout situation? Punjab has already announced 3-hour power cuts. Power plants are operating at 50% of their capacity. Rajasthan is resorting to on 1-hour load shedding in a day. Kerala is facing a reduction of 15% in their power supply from central government. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Delhi are also facing the problem of power crisis. India is a developing country, so that we need more and more electricity for industrial development. Coal is a non-renewable source of energy and already we overuse its reserve. So coal reserves will be depleted very soon. Will our life and industrial enhancement fully stop because of only coal? No, never. We have to use alternative source of energy for our development. Come, let's see solutions. Solution number 1. Solar energy. We will have to push renewable source of energy like solar energy. We use our empty terraces to install solar panel, and this electricity can easily fulfill our domestic needs. Solution number 2. Methane digesters. All kinds of organic waste produce methane. When it gets released directly in the atmosphere, it is more harmful than carbon dioxide for global warming. But when we use it to generate energy, it generates minimum pollution than coal. so we can use it to generate electricity. Solution number 3. Voluntary load shedding. We can voluntarily save electricity for 1 hour a day, then we can save electricity as well as coal. So, it is high time to think about this serious issue. If we take this matter seriously, then we can find out our solutions. We give these 3 solutions to sort out our problems. If you have better solution to solve this serious issue, please share with us. Write your better solution in comment section so that we can reach your opinion among more people.